All right, let's fix that Copilot not available error. This quick guide will get it sorted.
So, you're getting this super frustrating message, right? Well, you're in the right place. Let's solve it.
Basically, it just means your settings don't match a region where Copilot is live yet. First up, let's change your region. Head to Language and Region and just set it to the United States.
And this is crucial. Make sure you restart your PC. The change won't work otherwise. Still no luck? Your VPN could be the culprit here. Let's look at that next. First, just try turning your VPN off completely. If that's a no-go, use a reliable one for the US or UK. Yeah, what happens is some VPNs get flagged, and Copilot just blocks them from working, right? Okay, next up, we gotta make sure your Microsoft account's region matches your system settings. Just log into your Microsoft account online and check that its region matches what you set in Windows. See, Copilot looks at both your IP and your account. If they don't match up, you'll stay blocked. Another really common cause is just an old version of Windows. So let's check for an update. Super easy. Just head to Windows Update in your settings and install whatever's waiting for you. So remember, those three things gotta be in sync: your region, your account, and your Windows version.
Okay, so what if you've tried everything and it's still not working? Don't worry, there's a great workaround.
You can actually get the full Copilot experience right inside the Microsoft Edge browser. Yep, seriously. All you do is open Edge, hit that little Copilot icon in the sidebar, and boom, you're in. And that's because the Windows version is basically just a web app anyway. The Edge version is the same thing.